Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in today, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. So for today's video, we are going to be, I don't want to really call this a review, but we will take a look at something together that I'm super obsessed with for spring and summer. It is the Jacquemus Bambinou. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It is from the new collection. I don't know if I've already said that, Lee Splash. And this bag is super cute. If you've already seen the Jacquemus Bambinou bags, then you know what to expect as far as the style and the aesthetic of the bag. But let me tell you, this size is like the biggest size. This is even bigger than the Le Chiquito bag, like the Grand Le Chiquito bag. This bag can fit a whole lot in it. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's get into it. So if you guys can see here, I'm wearing the bag. I have the strap on. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the bag in this gorgeous green color. It does come with the typical brassy gold hardware. So you have the Jacquemus logo here, and then we have two D-link clasps on the side that you put on your longer crossbody strap. This bag is large. Let me go to the website so that I can directly tell you the size. So this is 34 by 20 centimeters. So I would imagine that you could probably fit like an iPad or something in here. That's how big this bag is. It's described as an envelope bag. It is 100% genuine leather, made in Italy. Super obsessed. On the back of this bag, we do have a little love letter pocket, if you want to call it that. You can put some cash back here, some cards. Then once you open the bag up, you have that gold magnetic clasp that allows your bag to be secure, so you don't have to worry about your belongings flying out. Let me stand up so that I can show you guys the inside of this bag. Okay guys, so here for the inside, as you can see, there is another pocket that you can put some special things in, cash, card, etc. And in the inside, it's just this very deep open space. So there's no like other compartment. So if you have like a lot of things to put in here, this bag will definitely be able to fit everything inside. I love that it has this top handle, and it's giving like briefcase vibes, or like I have a business meeting or something. I don't know, it is a very unique bag. The structure of it is just top tier. Like I said, it does come with this long crossbody strap. And on the Instagram page, you just see the model just carrying it like this over the shoulder. So very cute. I'm obsessed. Like, I wish that I could buy every last one of these bags in different variations, of course, but I'm so obsessed with the brand, and these bags are at such a great price point. So if you are getting into luxury bags and you want to spend a little bit of money, but you don't really want to break, I'm not even going to say break the bank, because they are still quite expensive. You don't really want to step into something the level of like a Chanel bag or a Hermes bag. This is a great starting point. The price is good on this. When I bought this bag, it was not the price that it is now. The price has gone down maybe like $90. So yes, I would just say go and check it out. Very cute. So for all of the Jacquemus bags, you know that they do come with the little linen dust bag. Nothing spectacular, but it is very nice to be able to protect your bags because they can get dusty, especially if they are leather. So I do like to put mine back in the bags, or I just store my receipts in here and like straps, because typically I don't use the straps that often. But as you know, they always come with this little envelope, and it includes the basic things, your receipts, your return labels, and they always put these fun postage cards in there, which I love because that is a very special touch on his brand, is that you get these postcards and you can actually send these off to someone as like a keepsake for people who might collect these. I don't know. Then they always include these stickers, which I absolutely love. I put them on like my laptop case, or I'll put them on my suitcase, just whatever. It's just really cute. But this one is also like a postage card if you want to keep the stickers on here and mail it to someone. I don't know, I just really love that it comes with that. So for my final thoughts on this bag, I am obsessed, and you should be too. I'm gonna put the link in the bio for you guys if you want to check this bag out. Like I said, this bag is so cute. I'm obsessed. I don't think you guys understand. Like, I just love fashion. I love being a girl. I love luxury. It's just my thing. But thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber gang. We need more subscribers here on my channel. And I know that I have not been on YouTube for a long time, but I am trying to transition back into posting on my channel. So I would love it if you guys could show your support. Thank you guys for watching.